Carvana's potential inclusion in the S&P 500 has the community absolutely buzzing, with the possibility of forced index fund buying acting like rocket fuel for bullish sentiment. Traders are pointing out that if CVNA gets the nod, it could trigger a wave of passive inflows as funds rebalance, a scenario that often leads to sharp, momentum-driven upside for newly added companies. Bulls are framing this as a validation of Carvana's turnaround story, arguing that the company's improved margins, tightened operations, and stronger demand trends justify the hype. But the bears are not having it. They're hammering on the fundamentals, calling out the still elevated debt levels, the sensitivity of Carvana's business to credit conditions, and what they see as a stretched valuation propped up more by sentiment than by sustainable financial strength. Some skeptics are even suggesting that the market is overlooking red flags, especially around Carvana's accounting methods, revenue recognition, and the way it reports profitability during periods of heavy financing activity. Community debates have gotten particularly heated as both sides dig in. Bulls are treating S&P 500 inclusion as a catalyst that could rewrite the stock's narrative, while bears insist that a structural, credit-dependent business model can't outrun macro pressures forever. The conversation has become a broader referendum on Carvana's future. Is this a true long-term turnaround or a momentum trade about to meet reality?
Okay, so the stock has been in an uptrend since early November. Yeah, and higher prices are expected to remain in place at least up till the 7th of January, when it might begin to contract. Okay, yeah, strongly bullish as well. Yeah, strongly bullish as well. Projections are saying nothing to the upside for now, 313.03. It's a downward projection, but we have an upper projection. Sorry, we have an intraday high here, 455.17, just modestly above its current price. Momentum is expected to decline and not expected to pull back, not expected to resume or go up again. It's expected to continue to decline and remain that way at least till the middle of till the second half of next month, that's January of 2026. However, a lot can still change between now and then. Mind you that it's going to. I mean, with what we just heard now, it could change everything. Momentum could suddenly this extrapolation by the algos could suddenly change. Let's see what we have on its weekly chart. On the weekly chart, we have strength is expected to remain in place. This strength has up to the 29th of September, then December. Then after that, it's a contraction going all the way towards early June of 2026. Yeah, let's see what we have. 376.15452 500.20. Yeah, let's see what the 1 minute chart. It might have some projections. Let's see what we have here. 453, 453, 455, 457, 460, 458. Okay. Okay, let's see. We may have some more on the 2 hour chart or 2 minute chart. Let's see what we have. 451, 451. Okay, let's see the 3 minute chart. 484, 495. Okay, yeah. So that's what's going on right now. The stock is currently trending. It's the news of the prospects, the news that it's going to, it may be included in the S&P 500, and the prospects of passive investing, passive funds going into the stock. So it helps because they tend to be more stable as against non-passive funds. They go in and they can go out, just as fast as they came in. So that's what's going on right now. Have a look and see what you make of CVNA, and thank you very much for watching this video.